All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this gorgeous piece right over here. This is the Ryo from Rockstead. I'm gonna do a quick review about this fella. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. You see, that was quick. Also, I need to thank my buddy Guillaume for sending this guy along so I'm able to share my impressions with you fellas. And let's go ahead and check first like the size, because this is not a huge knife, and 7.75 overall length, a little bit over 3 inches for the cutting edge and 4.5 for the handle, so not too big. But this is gorgeous. This is made in Japan. It is titanium polished and DLC coated handle. Look at the mirror finish that it's on this ZDP 189 steel blade. Amazing. It's just like super smooth. Button lock right over here. It's gorgeous. Look at these lines. It's amazing. I mean, it's just like this sheep's foot with convex grind. This is called Honzukuri convex grind. It's insane. It's gorgeous. 67 HRC. This is like crazy hard. It's gonna keep the edge like forever. This is not a cheap one, guys. I was saying this is like 1,800 bucks on Knife Center, for example, right now. But check the clip. How cool is this clip? Very nice hidden pocket clip, super low profile on the spine. Nice jimping, dual thumb stud. The action, this is the definition of smooth. It's a fingerprint magnet, as you can see, because of course it's polished and everything. But if you want to take a picture of this guy, you just polish it up. Now, yeah, it needs a little bit of liquid here, but I mean, just for example, check the blade. This is a looker. Amazing. Extremely smooth action. Let's also check the weight, because it's not, I mean, it kind of feels dense in the hand. It's going to be like 4.34 ounces in the pocket because of the lack of internal skeletonization. So because this is a loaner, I'm not gonna do a disassembly video. And I see also like T6 Torx bit right over here, so I'm not really comfortable. If it were mine, you would of course insta disassembly video, but because it's not, guys, I'm sorry, there's not gonna be any disassembly video, but there is gonna be a full-length video if you're interested to know a little bit more details about this one. So there you have it. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.